Hi everybody, this is Tommy here. Today I'm gonna talk about how to make at least 20 US dollar by just inviting your friends to the cryptocurrency exchange. It's gonna be very easy and we are not gonna fund any account. We are not gonna spend any money. All we are gonna do is basically making money. But before starting, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like the video for the more. Alright, let's start. Today I'm gonna talk about Bitay Global Reference Program. So in the Bitay Global Reference Program, as much as we refer Bitay Global to our friends, we together with our friends are getting rewarded together. So how it works? Let me talk about how it works. Let's say if you don't have any Bitay Global accounts, Bitay Global is a very big cryptocurrency exchange. But that's based in Turkey. As you know, Turkey is one of the biggest crypto holders country. So Bitay comes from this country, so it's very respectable. To make money with Bitay, we need to sign up to the Bitay via a reference link. It's very important. So I will share my link in the description below. And by clicking this link, you can open your Bitay account. After opening your Bitay account, you will see a page something like this. After you sign up to the Bitay Global, you will see a page like this. So after opening your account, you will see a page like this and you will click here. As you can see, there is an icon here and you will click verification here and you will verify your ID, your address, and there is some kind of survey that's very easy. You will finish this survey. Once you finish these let's say tasks, you will get 5 Exim coins. So Exim coin is the coin of the Bitay Global. 5 Exim coin is 1.74 US dollar right now, but there's something more. We are not gonna make only 1.74 US dollar. We will make more. So after opening our account and finish the task that we are need to do finished, we are gonna invite our friends to the Bitay via our link. How you can find this link? Let me show you here. You're gonna click Exim profile. As you can see, click here and you will have your referral codes. So with this link, you can share this link with your friends and you can invite them to the Bitay. Once they sign up to the Bitay and open their account and finish the verification process here. 3 stages of verification process. They need to finish all of them, and you and your friend will get 5 Bitay coins more. So it's worth, as I told you earlier, 1.74 US dollar. Let's say you invite 30 of your friends. 30 of your friends means, let me calculate. If you invite 30 of your friends, you are gonna get to a 52 US dollar amount of Exim coin. It's 100% withdrawable. You don't need to deposit anything to your account. You can withdraw anytime you want. Let me show you my balance actually. Let me show you my assets. So all these assets, 115 US dollar USDT. I will make this money from my referrals, as you can see here. So you can get your 5 Exim coin via you can get your 5 Exim coin by signing up the link in the description below, and after that you can invite your friends to the exchange and they can do the same things that you do. Verify their ID, address, and fill the customer in the identification code, and via this way you can make money like this, $100 115 US dollar. That's all I do. So I of course I want to make more, you know, as you guys, like you guys. So these are the list of to my referrals. As you can see, some of them are approved, some of them are not approved because they didn't complete the verification process here. So that's very important. You need to complete this verification process here, and your friends that you invite to the exchange also need to complete all the process here. Don't forget about it. Okay, once they complete this process, you get $2 for each of your friends. So that's the basic campaign. If you want to join, you can join the campaign, click via the link in the description below. And there is another campaign. As you can see, you can make at least $40 US withdrawable, and you don't need to make any investment. You don't need to fund any account. You can also join this airdrop as well. It's almost as the same. It has almost as the same rules like in the Bitay. So if you want to, you know, want to be part of this airdrop as well, you can also join this too. So yeah, that's all actually. Basically, that's all I want to talk about. If you have any questions, please, you know, write them in the comment section. I will be answering all of your questions, and I will be waiting your comments as well. So have a good day.